Hi, it's Yuko from Honeyberry Studios, and welcome to my folk house line drawing tutorial. I love working with the Jelly Roll white pens, and it's super exciting that they're now available in size 10, 08, and 05. And the crisp white lines work so nicely on this thick black chalk paper by Strathmore Paper. For this project, just to make it fun, I cut the paper in a 6-inch round shape. First, we're going to draw the outlines of the houses with the size 10 jelly roll. I'm placing the houses in a circle along the edge of the round paper. These houses have a pointy triangle roof lines. You can vary the heights and width of the houses if you'd like. It dries pretty quickly, and you can see how crisp and creamy the jelly roll shows up on the black chalk paper. With the size 10 jelly roll, I'm going to draw a nice thick line that separates the roof and the side of the houses. I'm going to continue drawing the size 10 and draw cute little doors. You can draw a square or rounded door, and go ahead and fill in some of them with the white to make it pop. Now I'm switching to size 8 to add lines and patterns on the roof. You can also give them windows. I like simple lines and dots. You could have a solid white roof too. Now with size 5, we're going to add small detail to the houses. You can add scallops and dots, and little stripes on the chimney, fun squiggles in the windows, Aren't these white lines look really great on the black? Now I'm gonna go back to size 10 and add more solid white patterns. Okay, so I'm adding a little more details with size 5 now. Have some plants here and there. It's looking good. It feels pretty done to me. You can just leave it as is, or if you'd like, you can add a simple lettering in the center. You can hang this in your studio, or you can also write a message in the back and mail it to your friend. I hope you had fun with this project, and tag me at Honeyberry Studios on Instagram so I can see what you come up with.